Hey guys, Mr. Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this iPhone 11 in red for you. So this is the box itself. That's my new laptop if you've not seen it in the previous videos. So as you can see, it's got two cameras. It's flash and next level thing. Got this for 800 quid. It's not bad. I like this red colour. Can you see the font on it? It's all glowing and stuff. This red colour is very nice. Apple logo is red, everything's red. Look at the box. So this 64 gig version includes iPhone 11 Earpods with a lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter, okay, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS. I'm not sure, but this might have a 720p display. I'm not too sure, or it might be 1080p. iPhone 11 red, 64 gigabytes. That's all it says there. Let's go ahead and open this. Not sure how much this one handed, but let's try. There you go. We're nearly there, guys. There you go. Wrappers off. This should just slide out now. Wow. There you go. Oh, look at that. Fucking hell, that looks nice. Let's have a look at that. That colour is vibrant. Look at the vibrant colour. It's a deep red, but my flash is making it more lighter than he is. So yeah, this side has nothing else in there. Oh, look at the metal edges. Look how nice that red is. It's like a matte brush finish red. It's a lot darker in person. It's just my flash that's making it look different. And the screen is black itself. Oh, that's really nice. I'm going to leave the screen protector on for now. Look how nice that is. Okay, so we've got two cameras there. I'm not sure what the megapixel is, but I'm guessing 12 or 16. We've got a 4-tone flash, as you can see. And I think that's the mic. Yeah, that's the mic there. As you can see that fuzzy thing, yeah. Okay. Apple sign, that's also... No, that's just black. That's just chrome. Yeah. Don't know why it says Apple. Why it just says product there. Which is a bit weird. But yeah, product red. Okay. This is the phone itself. I'm gonna boot it up in a second. This is the power button, I think. Yeah, power button, up, down, the mute button, profile button, whatever you call it. There's your USB-C. Well, it's the Apple's one, not actual USB-C, but yeah. Okay, so in here you get the manual sticker. There's your sticker, traditional sticker that you always get, and you should get pin thing as well. There you go, SIM card tray thing. And that's about it. I don't know why it's called product red. I guess it must be a Apple thing, a new thing. Okay, so these are the new AirPods. So with this one you get the new ones. Oh no, you get the normal ones with this one. With the Pro versions you get the new one. Okay, you got the USB cable there, the traditional one. So nothing else there. You got the charger block. Just a regular charger block, I believe. Yeah. No quick charging on this one. So if you want fast charging, you have to actually buy a different one for that. That costs more money. And there's nothing else in this box, I don't believe. Or is there? Let me have a look. It did say it got some adapters with it, but I guess not. Unless there's somewhere hidden away that I'm missing. Don't think there's anything else under here. But yeah, let me just switch this on now. There you go, this is the first boot up. So this has no home button, it's just on-screen buttons. Got the notch as well, which you can turn off as well. As you can see, the it's got face reader, what do you call it? It's constantly flashing. So yeah, if you don't like the notch, you can just cut it off like that in the settings. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.